Yo people, alright, new day, new Sunday, new weekend for a new video today. And today, I'm gonna continue my how I do self-portrait series. Yes, I'm gonna make this into a series because I thought it was a brilliant idea. Since it's during the pandemic period, why not I'll give you guys some inspiration and some ideas on how you can just stay home and make photos, amazing photos just by yourself in the comfort of your own home. And today I thought I could remake a very old photo of mine which I created with Photoshop, and till today it's one of my favorite works on my Instagram, sorry, and which is this shot right here. And yeah, so like it's been around for a long time and I haven't got around to remake it, so why not I do it today and now, right? So that's why we're gonna do a 2.0 version in this vlog, and I'm so excited to go through with you guys from the start to the end of how I shoot and edit this new upcoming 2.0 version. We're gonna use this backdrop right here to remake the 2.0 version, and honestly I haven't drafted out the plan, so I'm gonna go draft it out right now. And yeah, and we'll come back and we're gonna start shooting. That's what we're gonna do. So yeah, let's go start today's photo shoot. Okay, right now I'm just looking back up at the old photo which I created. So let me just switch photo which I created. So I'm just trying to paper, pen. Right now I'm just gonna okay, the concept is around the same. So I'm just gonna create two sides of each. Of course it won't be of different people, it will just be the same me but with different clothing. And because it's the pandemic period, I'm just gonna create a new backdrop and I'm just gonna make it nicer than this. I'm gonna try my best to make it nicer than this, which is gonna be very hard because this is one of my favorite works that I've ever created, and it's kind of hard to top this up. So technically what I can like any artwork, I was given feedback on this work. So what I've been told is that this part right here isn't as appealing as this part, but right now what I'm gonna do in this 2.0 version, I want to make both parts go wow. So I'm gonna try my best to make one side like both sides as amazing as each other. So I ain't gonna make like one side better than the other. So I'm gonna try my best to see how. So I'm just gonna draft it out, draw out, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. And yeah, we shall see what I've researched and drafted out. Yeah, I'm gonna do that first. Alright guys, so I kind of already be like, okay, damn, I created that. And so technically, okay, I'll give you guys a gist of what I got so far. So I'm gonna make two sides as per normal, yeah, based on this which I made. So so technically what I'm gonna do is, one side I'm gonna make it Iceland and one side I'm gonna make it in Japan. So I just do both me. Sorry for the stickman, I can't draw for shit, but I just get the idea. Anyway, so one side is gonna be Iceland, so which is gonna be night and day, and I'm gonna make it northern light. And yeah, it's Iceland, so why not northern lights, the ice mountain with the ocean. And yeah, while the Japan side, and inside the framing will have Mount Fuji right there. So that's the idea. And there's this I researched up this pagoda, which is this famous shot which photographers always take with. So this is the famous pagoda right here. So I'm just gonna try to include it in some way or another, maybe close up right here. And yeah, we're gonna see what I can do. I'm trying to make it as three-dimensional as possible. So I'm gonna make snows and like snowstorms come out of the Iceland area. We're just gonna get it started. I'm gonna use my tripod and timer, and yeah, we shall start. I shall start standing by the door, and yeah, let's get the shots we need to make this, because mostly it's gonna be post-edit more than the shots. But let's see how many times I can stand and just let's see the different ways I can stand. Yeah. Let's go. Alright, so this is the view of my camera right now. Ignore the things on the side. Oh, come on, yeah. And just press it back. So technically right now you can see there are a lot of disturbance on the side, but no worries, because here's the thing, I'm just using this frame right here, this door here, and I'm gonna Photoshop it out. So the sides don't actually matter. I just need to see focus shot of me with the door and my posing. I think that's totally fine. So technically this whole door and me is just gonna be part of the picture, the whole creation. Alright, that's what's gonna happen. So I got my outfits prepared here for today's shoot. So I'm guessing this will go, the blues will go together. Hoodie for the blizzard to make it look like it's cold. Makes sense, right? And this will go with the black just for the Japan vibe. I don't know, I'm just gonna go with this outfit, see how it works. Hopefully it's good, but I'll only know once I edit it. But yeah, let's do this. Let's change and we shall start the shoot. Alright, so let's change. Okay. Alright, let's start the eye shoot. Let's go. Alright, got it. I think this is the one. Alright. I at first wanted to do a stand-up shot, but I realized sitting down would be much nicer, because in my mind I'm just like thinking, if I were looking at a northern light, I would be sitting down. So I feel like this shot is much better than the standing up ones. Alright, first thing first, toilet break. Because holy cow, self-portrait is tiring, man. Alright. Time to do the second shot, shall we? So yeah, time to change. Alright, let's go. Alright, change already. On to the next shoot. I mean, on to the second part of the shoot. I mean, you guys know what I mean. Alright, let's go! For the second part of this shot, I'm just gonna do it while standing up, because I feel like it makes sense. One sit down, one stand up, just admiring the view of the Mount Fuji for the Japan one. So I'm doing the Japan version right now. And here's the thing, I will be standing on the same side, but then during pose I'll reverse it. Alright, I think I got the final shot which I like, and I'm just gonna put it over on Photoshop and see how it works. I'm kind of editing right now, trying out the entire plan and see if it's working. The photos are fine. The only problem is, wait, I'll show you guys. The only problem is I don't know how to separate this, create a separate line right here. But I think I got an idea with what to do here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit one side at a time. So this part right here, okay, this part right here, I'm just gonna edit it alone, and this part right here, I'm just gonna edit it alone, and after that I'm just gonna merge them together and see what happens with it. So I'm just gonna edit each side first, then I'm just gonna merge them together and see how it goes. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, then holy cow, I wasted my time. So wish me luck. Yo people, alright, so future Tun here, already edited the picture, already posted. It's been posted for like, let me see, it's been 3 days since I posted it on my Instagram. And honestly, I think I'll just show you guys the picture, then we'll talk about it, alright? So, drum roll please, as usual. Boom! Alright, so this is the picture right here. So, am I proud of it? Yes, I am. And secondly, was it hard? I think it was tricky, but I got the whole idea down and hang of it. Did I adapt my way into making this? Definitely. Like, there were some components which I wanted to add in, but I didn't add in, and which I thought would suit better for this edit. And I just want to, okay, let's just go run through the pose, alright? So anyway, so I just end up putting the Japan side on the left, while the right side is the Iceland side. And okay, let's just start talking about the left side. Oh my god, okay. Overall in general, I just felt the colors I chose for both sides was just perfect. I don't want to put the Japan side as warmth and the Iceland side as cold tone, because it just, I don't know, it's just fitting. So let's just start with talking about the Japan side. So as I said, Mount Fuji, then I put a reflection of the water of Mount Fuji. The sky also, I did it in, make it warm. And also at first, yeah, the pagoda is there, and I put in some sakuras right there. So that is what I generally did, and I'm kind of proud of it, because it's a different take on the normal famous shot which people take. And I thought, you know, I just want to put my own creativity into it. So that's what the Japan shot is for. Now on to the Iceland side. Iceland side, I thought I do a simple, more simplistic style edit, because I wanted the main feature to be more of the northern lights. That is why generally you see like maybe 2/3 or even majority of the top space being the northern light, which because I just want to mainly showcase the beauty of the northern light whenever a person visits Iceland. And you can see a very abandoned old bridge. Oh, I should have gotten the name of that bridge, but I forgot. Anyway, I also placed in a few mountains at the side, but you can't actually see it because of the blizzard that is coming out. Proud of this edit because I know the effort I put into. And yeah, and at first, okay, the hard part was me merging the two of them together, but then I came to realize that I can just use the borders, the side frame of the one of the doors. So I just end up using it and just like stacking it up for the middle merge. So that's how I got the middle merge. The ground, I just reshoot the ground again with my iPhone, and that's how I created the flooring. And yeah, overall I think it's a great edit. I'm actually very proud of it. The more I look at it, at first I was like kind of like doubting my own abilities into like, was this edit not as good as I thought it would be, or it is. And honestly, I'm proud of it. It's a great edit. And yeah, I just want to say thanks to all the friends that commented it and shared my post, and just, you know, show your appreciation on this post. You know, this is why you shouldn't take things for granted. Anyways, I'm not gonna take what you guys say about my edit being like, you know, some of you guys actually show appreciation for this edit and was actually wowed by this edit, and I'm not gonna take that for granted. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for like, you know, just, you know, being amazed by what I've created, and I hope to create more in the future. Anyways, I really hope you know, I could visit Japan or Iceland one day and, you know, just use my own footages and my pictures to recreate this shot, or even create a video out of it. Anyways, I don't want to chat some more. I think I could drag it long enough. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. And yeah, this is Tun signing off. Take care, enjoy photography. Yeah, and just have a nice day. Bye bye guys.